Hey everybody, look at these. Love Boat Doc and Love Boat Vicky action figures. Wow, $150, that's a lot. Yeah, I'm not buying those at all, but check it out. The Love Boat. And then there's a boat. Oh, definitely not kids. Dracula lives. Anyway, the Love Boat, exciting and new. Regular boat, and definitely not for kids because playmates. Whistler figure. Deadpool. Exciting and new. Love boat. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Y'all might like to see the Love Boat figures. Anyway, remember, God's good all the time. All the time, God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you, Jesus God, Jesus Lord, Jesus King, Jesus ruler, everything, and have a very wonderful day. Later.